If you are feeling lost and don't know where to start with embroidery, or maybe you've already started but cannot shake the feeling that something is not quite right, whether it's your skills or the materials, you should know that you are not alone. Many embroiderers encounter this frustration. Rest assured, it's most likely the wrong materials are hindering your progress. In this course, I will introduce you to all the materials you need to know in order to start any embroidery project. You will learn where to start as a beginner and how to use embroidery supplies. I will introduce you to the embroidery threads, how to prep them before starting, and how to easily thread a needle. You will learn how to choose the right fabrics and needles for your projects. I will show you what makes an embroidery hoop be of high quality, what are the tools to use, and how to transfer a pattern design onto fabric. I remember how much time and energy I've put into this process in the beginning. I didn't know where to start or where to find the best supplies. And I still have some of the materials I've bought and never used because they weren't exactly what I was looking for. In order to ease this part of your process, I've made a list with all the supplies I'm going to talk about and attached links to the shops where you can find all these supplies. The links include shops from the UK, EU, and USA. This course is for people who have never embroidered before, or embroidered a long time ago and forgot everything, or almost everything. It's also for beginners who want to level up their skills and for creatives who want to pick up a new craft. The course project is for you to build confidence when choosing materials for your future embroidery projects.